Today I'm going to show you 3 tools that I use to get the blood circulating and to produce collagen and to bring nourishment and nutrients to my skin. The first one is this adorable little one. It's 1 battery operated. There's 1 battery in there and you twist it around. It's by GUSHIYUTA, something like that. And it comes with different attachments. This is the one I like to use. It comes with this round one, and then it comes with 3 attachments. This is the biggest one. And you just turn it on, and I'll let you hear. I put it next to my mirror so you could hear it. And you just go like that, and like that. And all it is vibration. It's not electro, it's just vibrations. It gets the blood flowing so fast. I like to use the small one because I could get all around my face easier. Okay, and so you just turn it on and you go up, and then you go this way to drain the lymphatic glands. And you go here, and then and you can go on your body with it. Oh, it's beautiful. It really is. And you just twist it and it's off. Comes with these 3 heads. Now I will try to find it for you. I was looking before and I found a black one and a green one. So I'm not sure if I could find this exact color, but I will do my best. And the massage and the vibration is what gets the blood flowing, which gets your skin looking healthy and gets all the blood, the nutrients from the blood up to the surface of the skin, and that produces collagen. And collagen is what keeps your skin tight, and this is where I concentrate. My jaw and my smile lines, and of course my cheeks. That's like the main thing. But you see how it fits? You see how it fits on the forehead? Like the bones here, but there's a curve there, so it fits, and it fits here, and it fits there. I mean, this is my favorite. The next thing I love to use is this little cup plunger, and it's silicone. It's squishy, and I always give it a squirt with alcohol, or I just run it in the sink. And this can stick anywhere. You don't want it to stick too long because you don't want to get a hickey. If you do this on your neck, you can get a hickey. And what you do is you squeeze it till it grabs, and then you swirl it up. You swirl it up. You glide it up, and then you glide it down to drain your lymphatic glands. This gets your face massaged so fast. The blood flows up, the nutrients from the blood come up. It's incredible. Now, my mom used to use her hands all the time. She massaged with something like this on. She massaged from here up, and she was like, it was like fire on her face. It was so red, and that's what you need to do. So you could do it with this. Now, what you must do is put some oil on your face, or moisturizer, or some kind of cream, and just like that. And you could do your neck. You could go up or down. I just do it the easiest way I can, and you'll see my skin starts turning red, and then it fades away, but that's how you get the blood there. Now I have makeup on, so I'm not going to give myself a full massage there for the film. I'm just going to show you here. Now, my breathing starts changing. Your breathing will start speeding up as if you were going for a brisk walk or a run. And you may start yawning. That's what I do. I start yawning too. The last one I'm going to show you today is this little gadget here. This has become my favorite little hand tool. Now, this is stainless steel, and it is just a spiky roller. It's a spiky roller with a very comfortable handle, and all you do is you start rolling. Roll, 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 roll. You could roll down here to get it really going. And I just start yawning because it's my blood flowing. I do this all over my face. All over my face. And the blood starts flowing. This is the quickest way to get the blood flowing on your face, I have found. And I have bags full. I have bags full of products that I use. And this has become one of my favorites. Now, it doesn't cut your skin like micro needles. It doesn't do that. It just massages. Now, I have these in a silicone, and those are good too. It's gonna massage you faster than ever. I go all along the jawline, and the more you massage that jawline, the tighter it's going to get, because it is going to bring up collagen. So this is my favorite little tool, and I call this the lazy way to massage your face. Now, this is the easiest way to get the blood circulating. It's so cute. This was like $5, and I'll put the link down below for this. You get a set of these for like $4. This one, I think it's $9. And there's my hair everywhere. And they all do the job. And I use the castor oil that I like the best. The lever. And this is the one that is nice and slippery. It's not sticky. And it works beautiful. And I put it all over. And then I start massaging. I have this. This is a bonus gadget I'll show you. This is a slapper. And wow. This is good to give yourself a massage in your back or your legs. Now, it's got little nubs here. It's a silicone hand. It's got a wooden handle. It's pretty funny. And it's really good. If you love a massage, it's good. And you could do it. You could have somebody do it for you. That's what I'm thinking. You could have your partner slap your back for you. Look at that. Isn't that great? This is so funny, but it works good. Oh, and sometimes your muscles are tight and you just need a good pouncing on it. And then you start breathing, and then you start yawning. You could have somebody do this on your back. Oh, you could do it yourself. Wow, that's good. Hello. So, these are my tools, my tried and true tools. They work great. They're cheap, they're easy, and they are efficient. You actually get results with them. So I will show you more of the tools I use in another video. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all being here. If you smiled a little, then please subscribe, only if you smiled, and I'll see you soon. Love you all.